Welcome to CFE Presents The Traitors, Office Edition, a corporate social media reality show of trust, lies, and betrayals. Let the scheming begin.
I am a traitor. काहे को मैंने खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी झक मारली आणि तिला टेक्स्ट केला मी
If tomorrow I'm going down, I'll might as well take the big guns with me. Fuck it, let's do it. Like Pranju.
प्रांजू ठीक है then प्रांजू
It's day 3 of The Traitors. 7 players remain. Loyalties are shifting, suspicions are rising. So we thought, why not spice things up a little? Today, the players have a chance to flip the game. All they have to do is solve a simple riddle. If an innocent wins, their vote will be counted twice and they get a shield, which means the traitors can't kill them tonight. But if a traitor wins, they get to kill not one, but 2 innocents tonight.
I knew it was a piece of cake. I mean, I loved how everybody else was trying.
Guys, who the traitors killed on day 2? Reveal. Pranjali. But yes. Pranjali.
अंजिता का पावर वोटिंग है विवेक ने
कंधे पे
चोरी मारा है भाई
तू मार रहा है
मेरे पीछे जो है वो भी मार रही है
आगे पीछे से
आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ है
I knew, but I also had my doubts about Vivek. Ki maybe they have killed him or me, but the fact that I was able to manipulate the crowd yesterday in the vote out, I feel वो power traitors को नहीं रखनी थी, so they decided to kill me.
लेट करने की बात है कल प्रैच को निकाल दिया ना
Guys, we are in day 3 of our Traitors, the Office Edition. 7 players are remaining, and today is going to be very interesting because there are a few twists that even the people don't know. And just for your information, every vote matters.
सबको मालूम रहना ही चाहिए at this point कि अन्विता है though like lot has happened today which didn't seem fair to me wouldn't seem fair to anyone but today let's talk about why she is the traitor ठीक है बहुत क्लियर है कल सुबह प्रैच आई ठीक है I started pointing finger at her लेकिन throughout the day प्रैच wasn't upset with it ठीक है बहुत ध्यान से सुनना ये सबने देखा रहेगा क्योंकि प्रैच wasn't upset with it वो पूरे दिन तक she was trying to you know play around have fun she was defend herself सब कुछ ठीक है लेकिन वोटिंग के बाद she got frustrated कि ट्रेटर ने मुझे वोट किया ठीक है और वो बहुत पेस्ट ऑफ हुई और उससे मालूम पड़ गया कि अगला ट्रेटर कौन है जो कि अन्विता है
इतना हुआ एब्सोल्यूट
जो भी अन्विता पे भी डाउट है और विवेक पर भी है अभी क्योंकि विवेक आज बहुत मतलब सबको मनाने का ट्राई कर रहा है 10 जगह पे जाके कि भाई इसको वोट कर उसको वोट कर सो विवेक थोड़ा आज एकदम कावरा वावरा हो गया
What I've observed about Akash is this guy after 7:30 या फिर most probably 7:38 he doesn't वो ऑफिस में उठता ही नहीं है when he's working now उसको 10 कॉल आते रहते हैं कि मैं काम नहीं कर रहा they are calling him but he gets these many calls but the day when game started it was the first time when I was seeing Akash is मतलब 8:30 बजे के बाद भी आकाश अभी हाँ मैं निकल रहा हूँ मैं आता हूँ हाँ मतलब so yes my accusation is Akash
So मेरा वोट is to विवेक I was waiting for something to change throughout the day कुछ ऐसा किसी का कुछ behavior या something like that जो मैं pick कर सकूँ और बोल सकूँ कि नहीं ये देखो इसने ऐसा कुछ किया
because आज सुबह से कुछ ज़्यादा ही एनर्जी है
और अभी जब शाम होते होते वी रियलाइज दैट ही रियलाइज कि थोड़ा सा उसकी तरफ पॉइंट आउट हो रहा है, तो अचानक से ही सब चीजें अनफेयर होने लग गई और मतलब वियर्ड होने लग गई एंड उसका मूड पूरा चेंज हो गया. सो आई फील दैट विवेक.
It was fixed. She any day would have written my name on it.
The morning was Akash. For obvious reason was Akash was stated. But as the day passed by, it kind of shifted towards Vivek because the way he was, you know, acting the whole day. Also, my second important point thing interrupt किया गया. Second important point is कि अगर ये स्टेज पे मैं और विवेक है, जहाँ तक मैं और विवेक है, और अगर मैं रहता था ट्रेडर, तो मैं यहाँ विवेक इस स्टेज तक विवेक को लाता ही नहीं था, मैं पहले आउट कर देता. तो आई फील के हिज प्लेइंग पता नहीं व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गेम इज,
स्पेशली आफ्टर यस्टरडे. तो आई फील के
I don't care about the traitors, I don't care about the innocent, I only care about myself. मुझे रहना है गेम में, मैं लाशों के ऊपर से चले जाऊंगा, कोई बात नहीं.
आज का
आकाश एंड विवेक.
नहीं जा रहा अन्विता, क्योंकि आई एम इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय विवेक.
My vote goes to Anvita.
I don't know what happened. She knew कि it's against her everything. So she was like, let's have a complete set of votes against Akash. So that made her change the name.
So I won the power, but I got killed because apparently traitors thought that it is a good idea to kill me. So I'm going to give my power to Vivek because I feel he's the only person who knows my propaganda and who believes in my propaganda. And I am 1000% sure that he's an innocent.
Count is 5-3 and Anvita is out. The twist is whoever is eliminated, जिसका भी नाम उन्होंने लिखा है, they are also eliminated. So it's a double vote out.
Whoa!
So Akash,
Where were these plot twists when I was getting eliminated?
So Akash is also eliminated.
मेरे को पहले समझने दो क्या हुआ, और दो बस बताओ. हाँ,
अन्विता वोट आउट हुई.
हाँ,
अन्विता वोट आउट हुई. उसने तेरा नाम लिया था ना,
हाँ.
तो इसलिए तू भी आउट.
Thank you for having that idea of it, you know. Though it turned out like really crazy.
हाँ मैं इनोसेंट, पर बना दिया मुझे विलन. इनको लगता है ये जीत रहे हैं गेम, but the real traitor is somewhere else. I'm innocent, guys.
I was a
Innocent.
well.
Oh, innocent निकल गए.
That's a fake mail.
But fake है तो बता किसका है.
Okay, I would traitor.
But it was a legit mail. I turned traitor later.
एक सेकंड.
ए यार ये
I was recruited as a traitor by the traitors on the second day. After they voted out Navneet on that Genie, then they recruited me as the traitor.
चल बाहर. एकदम बाहर.
Oh fuck it.
That happened.
I can testify.
इतना गलत कोई कैसे भाई?
I don't have an issue. Today's the Kalesh day. Let's put more chaos into it. Shut her up. Let's do that. Let's chaos.
And then मतलब इतना रोंदू losers is what I would want to say.
Anvita has a lot of energy in her. I could see that, and I was like, let's push it to the core of it.
कि अरे ये कर दिया, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था. I mean, just be a sport and play the game. इतना क्यों रोना है तुमको हर एक चीज़ पे and इतना ज़्यादा तुम नहीं ये वो
Hi guys, I am eliminating Tapas bhai, and the reason is I got influenced. I'm the only traitor left, which I knew from the start that I'll be the last one to leave this game. But अभी थोड़ा टेंशन बढ़ रहा है because अब लोगों को लग रहा है या शायद पता चल गया है कि मैं ही हूँ. So now we'll have to come up with something else. The producers should come up with something else.
But I'm just throwing it out, but it is very unfair. I'm telling you, I can be a traitor now also.